Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We are back with another project. If you're first time for our channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Let's get into the today's project. Smart wet and dry garbage collection system using Arduino RF and IoT. Let's see the components used in the project. This is transformer for 230 to 12 volts. This is totally power supply circuit. This is main control at Mega 328. This is the Wi-Fi module to post this data into this IoT page. We are using an LCD to display the whether the Wi-Fi is connected or not and in which floor bin exists. This is the RF receiver module with decoder. This is the driver circuit to run the motor. This is our garbage collection bins elevator. We are treating it as an elevator. This is a wet and dry bins and we are moving this dustbin floor wise accordingly. This is the RF transmitter with encoder. Let's power on kit and see the output of this kit. On LCD, we'll get connecting Wi-Fi to connect the hotspot to get the internet. So now it is connected to the hotspot. Now it's showing that collecting dust. So we have to give command with RF transmitter on the RF circuit. Now I am switching this button. Now bins are moved to the first floor. I am switching the next switch on. So it is now moved to second floor. Now I am switching another switch. So bins are moved over the third floor. LCD is displaying that floor-wise strings in the display as floor 3. Now I am switching another switch to ground. So it is shifted to the ground again. Like that, the collecting person will collect the dust using this RF circuit. So whatever the floor we are seeing, that will be posted into the IoT page. As you can see the output on the screen. Thank you guys for the watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe, share, comment and wait for the further notifications and wait for the new projects that we are going to introduce. We can support any own concept. We'll support project explanation, execution, document and support till external. For any project, you can reach out to the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. Thank you.